Are you ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing but unsure where to start? In today's video, we're unveiling the top 5 affiliate marketing programs for beginners in 2024 that are not only easy to join but also offer impressive commission rates. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or launch a full-fledged online business, these programs are designed with beginners in mind, making it simple for you to get started. We'll explore each program's unique features, including their commission structures, the types of products or services you can promote, and the support they offer to help you succeed. You'll learn how to sign up for these programs quickly and efficiently so you can start earning money as soon as possible. From well-known brands to niche markets, we've curated a list that caters to various interests and audiences, ensuring there's something for everyone. Plus, we'll provide tips on how to effectively promote these affiliate links to maximize your earnings. So, if you're eager to find out which affiliate marketing programs can kickstart your journey in 2024, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need to choose the right program for you and start your affiliate marketing adventure with confidence. Let's get started. Number 5. Rakuten Advertising, formerly Rakuten Marketing. Rakuten Marketing stands out as a solid choice for beginners in affiliate marketing, offering a diverse range of products and services to promote. With a user-friendly interface and a vast network of well-known brands, it provides affiliates with ample opportunities to earn commissions. One of its key attributes is the extensive reporting tools that allow you to track your performance and optimize your strategies effectively. What sets Rakuten Advertising apart is its focus on building long-term relationships between affiliates and merchants, fostering a collaborative environment that benefits both parties. The platform features a wide array of categories, from fashion to electronics, ensuring that you can find products that resonate with your audience. Additionally, Rakuten offers competitive commission rates, which can be particularly appealing for those just starting out. However, compared to higher-ranked programs, Rakuten Advertising may not have the same level of brand recognition among affiliates. While it boasts a strong reputation, it lacks some of the more lucrative commission structures found in the top-tier programs. This makes it an excellent starting point for beginners who want to learn the ropes without overwhelming complexity. In summary, Rakuten Advertising ranks at number 5 due to its accessibility, diverse product offerings, and supportive community. It serves as a great introduction to affiliate marketing, allowing newcomers to gain valuable experience before moving on to more competitive programs that may offer higher commissions and greater brand recognition. As you progress in your affiliate marketing journey, you'll find that Rakuten Marketing provides a solid foundation to build upon. Number 4. CJ Affiliate. CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, is a powerhouse in the affiliate marketing space, making it a top choice for beginners looking to dive into this lucrative field. With a vast network of over 3,000 advertisers, CJ Affiliate offers a diverse range of products and services across various niches, from retail to travel. This extensive selection allows affiliates to find the perfect fit for their audience, enhancing the potential for conversions. One of the standout features of CJ Affiliate is its advanced tracking and reporting capabilities. Affiliates can access real-time data on their performance, enabling them to make informed decisions and optimize their marketing strategies effectively. The platform also provides a wealth of educational resources, including webinars and guides, which are invaluable for newcomers eager to learn the ropes of affiliate marketing. What sets CJ Affiliate apart from Rakuten Advertising, ranked at number 5, is its robust technology and user-friendly interface. While Rakuten offers a solid foundation, CJ Affiliate takes it a step further with its sophisticated tools that cater to both beginners and experienced marketers. Additionally, CJ Affiliate boasts higher average commission rates, making it an attractive option for those looking to maximize their earnings. However, the sheer size of CJ Affiliate can be daunting for some beginners, as navigating through numerous advertisers and offers may feel overwhelming at first. This complexity is a trade-off for the extensive opportunities available on the platform. In summary, CJ Affiliate ranks at number 4 due to its impressive network, advanced tracking features, and educational resources. It serves as an excellent stepping stone for beginners, providing the tools and support needed to thrive in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Number 3, Share a Sale. Share a Sale is a dynamic affiliate marketing platform that has earned its place as a favorite among beginners and seasoned marketers alike. With over 400 or 500 merchants across a wide array of niches, Share a Sale provides affiliates with a rich selection of products to promote, from fashion and home goods to technology and digital services. This diversity allows affiliates to tailor their marketing efforts to their specific audience, enhancing engagement and conversion rates. One of the standout features of Share a Sale is its intuitive dashboard, which simplifies the process of tracking performance and managing campaigns. Affiliates can easily access detailed reports, allowing them to analyze their earnings and optimize their strategies effectively. Additionally, Share a Sale offers a unique feature called Affiliate Tools, which provides resources such as banners, text links, and product data feeds, making it easier for affiliates to create compelling content. What sets Share a Sale apart from CJ Affiliate, ranked at number 4, is its emphasis on a user-friendly experience and a supportive community. While CJ Affiliate offers advanced tracking capabilities, Share a Sale excels in providing a straightforward interface that is particularly welcoming for newcomers. Furthermore, Share a Sale is known for its prompt payment schedules, ensuring that affiliates receive their earnings in a timely manner. However, while Share a Sale offers a fantastic range of products and tools, it may not have the same level of brand recognition as the top-ranked program. This could limit some affiliates' ability to leverage established brands for higher conversions. In summary, Share a Sale ranks at number 3 due to its extensive merchant network, user-friendly dashboard, and valuable affiliate resources. It serves as an excellent platform for beginners to gain experience and build a successful affiliate marketing business while enjoying a supportive environment. Number 2, ClickBank. ClickBank is a leading affiliate marketing platform renowned for its focus on digital products, making it an ideal choice for beginners eager to tap into the booming online marketplace. With thousands of products ranging from ebooks and online courses to software and membership sites, ClickBank offers affiliates a unique opportunity to promote high-margin items that often yield impressive commission rates, sometimes exceeding 75%. One of the standout features of ClickBank is its straightforward sign-up process, allowing new affiliates to get started quickly and easily. The platform also provides a wealth of marketing materials, including banners, email templates, and promotional tools, which empower affiliates to create effective campaigns without needing extensive technical skills. Additionally, ClickBank's user-friendly dashboard offers real-time analytics, enabling affiliates to track their performance and optimize their strategies effectively. What sets ClickBank apart from Share a Sale, ranked at number 3, is its specialization in digital products and the potential for higher commissions. While Share a Sale offers a broader range of physical products, ClickBank's focus on digital goods allows for quicker transactions and higher profit margins. This makes it particularly appealing for those looking to maximize their earnings with less overhead. However, ClickBank does have its challenges. Some affiliates may find that the quality of products varies significantly, requiring careful selection to ensure they promote reputable offerings. This contrasts with Share a Sale's more established brands, which often come with built-in trust. In summary, ClickBank ranks at number 2 due to its extensive selection of high-commission digital products, easy onboarding process, and robust marketing resources. It serves as an excellent platform for beginners looking to capitalize on the digital economy while providing the tools necessary for success in affiliate marketing. Number 1, Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates reigns supreme as the top affiliate marketing program for beginners, and for good reason. With access to millions of products across virtually every category imaginable, affiliates can promote items that resonate with their audience, whether it's electronics, home goods, fashion, or books. This vast selection not only increases the likelihood of conversions, but also allows affiliates to tailor their promotions to specific niches. One of the standout features of Amazon Associates is its unparalleled brand recognition. As one of the most trusted online retailers globally, promoting Amazon products comes with an inherent level of credibility that can significantly boost conversion rates. Additionally, the program offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for newcomers to navigate and find products to promote. The straightforward sign-up process allows affiliates to start earning commissions almost immediately. Another unique characteristic of Amazon Associates is its cookie duration. When a customer clicks on an affiliate link, the cookie lasts for 24 hours, meaning that if they make any purchase within that time frame, the affiliate earns a commission on the entire order, not just the item promoted. This feature can lead to higher earnings, especially during peak shopping seasons. In contrast to ClickBank, ranked at number 2, which focuses primarily on digital products, Amazon Associates provides a diverse range of physical products that many consumers are already familiar with. While ClickBank offers higher commission rates, Amazon's extensive product range and trusted reputation make it easier for beginners to drive sales. In summary, Amazon Associates ranks at number 1 due to its vast product selection, brand trust, user-friendly platform, and lucrative cookie policy. It serves as the perfect launching pad for beginners looking to thrive in the affiliate marketing landscape, providing the tools and resources needed for success. In this video, we explored the top 5 affiliate marketing programs for beginners in 2024, highlighting the best options that are not only easy to join but also offer high commissions. Each of these programs offers unique features and benefits, making them suitable for beginners eager to start their affiliate marketing journey. Signing up is typically straightforward, requiring just a few steps to create an account and begin promoting products. We encourage you to explore these affiliate programs further and consider which one aligns best with your interests and audience. The world of affiliate marketing is ripe with opportunities, and with the right program, you can turn your passion into profit. As you embark on this exciting journey, remember that success in affiliate marketing requires dedication, creativity, and a willingness to learn. So take action today, choose the program that resonates with you, and start building your path to financial freedom. Your affiliate marketing adventure awaits. If you would like to know more about making money online, click on our free training video below. This video has changed the lives of many students, and you could be next.